Join me this year. I will be in Destin, Florida. Absolutely one of the most beautiful places on earth. April 29th, 30th, and May 1st, 3 days. This place is so unique in just its gorgeous beauty. Look at the color of this water and the silky white sand. It's sugar sand and it's absolutely pristine. The water is just such an unusual shade of turquoise. You get there and you just absorb, and the way that the light reflects on the surface of that white sand is this beautiful purple that I love painting and showing people how to capture the color and the light of this unique location to paint. Destin is a really fun touristy town, lots to do. The beach is the primary draw, but there's gorgeous palm trees and interesting little huts and things on the beach. Of course, the little sandpipers, but we do love spending time along the water. There's these wonderful overhanging little places where you can set up to paint, picnic tables, and you're out of the elements. It's nice too if it's kind of rainy out. We enjoy, we have a wonderful time, sense of camaraderie. We talk about the essentials to plein air painting, how to be efficient, how to capture great compositions using value and color. We talk about color theory as well. And so we get into how to compose your paintings through the use of the color and contrast and values. So we have a wonderful time, and just hope that you get a chance to participate with us this year. The class is starting to fill up, and we always have a good time. We break for lunch every day and find somewhere fun to eat, and oftentimes we get together in the evenings at a restaurant and just hang out and talk about the day. Sometimes it's about art, sometimes it's about nothing at all. The atmosphere of the workshop is every bit as easy breezy as Destin, Florida itself. I strive to give you good, sound, technical information and inspire you and help point you in the right direction. But I also want to give you a lot of room to express your own self and to help you find your own voice in your journey. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you this year.